race 9. The 58 on George Street Stakes. Favourite in the 1, Mavriki Pano. Set. Racing, come out a pretty even line. Forensics got away well again. Mavriki Pano, they jammed into the pen, and Mavriki Pano shouldered his way through to take over. Getting across was Shilling Flex into second. A bit of a gap already to Story Time coming out of the pack. Then came second line. Further back in the field was Keep Calm. Further back was Forensics, and Northern Net whipped them in. Round the corner, Mavriki Pano in front. Shilling Flex back to the inside. Mavriki Pano in front. Shilling Flex coming, never got there. Mavriki Pano held on to beat Shilling Flex. Behind them runners then would have been Story Time close up third. Then we came in Keep Calm. Further back of the field, second line was there from Ish One, and Northern Net one of the last in. Winner number 1, Mavriki Pano. By collision at a Nobilio, owned and trained at Portland by George Lahopoulos. Second will go to 5 the Yellow, Shilling Flex, Dynatron, Oakey Bale, Sean Betterman, Reefton. And third of the 4, Story Time, El Gallo, Merlinotti for Raven Gold of Bathurst. 1, 5, 4 and 6 the numbers. 25.93 the time. About a head will be your margin. Ahead by 2.5 the margin, ahead by 2.5.